Airspeeder Crewed MK4. Aloda Aeronautics' Airspeeder MK4 is the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft when it comes to vertical takeoff and landing acceleration. From a standing start, it can achieve a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in under 30 seconds. It was designed and constructed in Adelaide, which is located in South Australia. A Thunderstrike hydrogen turbo generator provides the electricity, and it has a range of up to 300 kilometers with it. Because it is built to be as agile as possible at high speeds and low altitudes, the MK4 is an excellent choice for racing in general. With a takeoff weight of only 950 kilograms, it is also in an incredibly efficient manner. There are plans to hold the first crewed races in the year 2024. The introduction of this groundbreaking technology paves the way for an environmentally responsible future for private air travel. Archer Midnight eVTOL aircraft. One of the most innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing planes ever made is the Archer Midnight eVTOL. Archer's maker, a demonstration eVTOL aircraft that proved the viability of its patented 12-tilt-6 configuration, served as an inspiration for this development. With a capacity for 4 people and a pilot, Midnight is built to be safe, environmentally friendly, and silent. It can carry more than 1,000 pounds and is designed for 2 20-mile excursions in a row, with a recharge time of about 10 minutes between each one. After completing the FAA certification process in late 2024, Archer intends to debut Midnight in 2025 as a component of its air mobility network for urban areas. With a top speed of 150 miles per hour, this plane can cut your long travel in half. To create Midnight, Archer took a novel method by fusing high emotion with high function, making passengers want to be a part of it. Pivotal BlackFly. One fixed-wing aircraft that Pivotal has developed on its 3rd-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing platform is the BlackFly. When landing or taking off vertically, the whole plane tilts, not only the wing sections or rotors, which are responsible for reorienting the thrust. Through the elimination of redundant parts, this design simplifies and lightens the load. Missions such as special operations, surveillance and disaster, and emergency response are suited for the BlackFly. It provides the utmost in flying pleasure, while also ensuring your safety and comfort. All aspects of the product life cycle, including development, instruction for pilots, reporting of flights based on data, and technical support, influence safety. For the time being, the United States Air Force is testing the BlackFly. To purchase a Pivotal BlackFly, prices begin at $190,000. Bellwether Flying Car. Voler, the Bellwether Flying Car, is an example of a novel kind of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft perfect for city skies. Its wingless lifting body and concealed propulsion mechanism make it eco-friendly and suitable for use in urban areas. The 3rd-generation Voler, the Oryx, has a small profile and features improved airframe design and flight control technologies. With dimensions of 3,700 by 6,300 by 1,900 millimeters and an electric motor, the Oryx is a spacious 3-seater. Extending flight endurance and optimizing performance for negotiating complicated urban settings, it is currently undergoing active flight testing in Dubai. The Voler is scheduled to be released to the public in 2028, with starting pricing likely to be in the 7 figures. The company's long-term goal is to get the price down to the level of car ownership, though, so that production can scale up and become more efficient. AeroMobile 4.0. Bringing together the capabilities of a car and an airplane, the AeroMobile 4.0 is a one-of-a-kind automobile. It was shown to the public in 2017, and AeroMobile was the company that designed and constructed it. A cutting-edge automobile crash structure that is constructed out of composite materials is incorporated into the car here. There is a point of connection for the wings that is incorporated into the carbon cradle that is integrated into the middle of the structure. The maximum speed that it is capable of reaching on the road is 160 kilometers per hour, while it can reach a maximum speed of 360 kilometers per hour under flight conditions. Construction techniques known as monocoque are utilized in the construction of the vehicle. In terms of dimensions, The automobile configuration is 5.9 meters in length, 2.2 meters in width, and 1.5 meters in height, when compared to a conventional airline. PalV Liberty. The Dutch company PalV came up with the idea for the PalV Liberty, which is a one-of-a-kind mix of a three-wheeled automobile and an autogyro, also known as a gyroplane. It is necessary to possess both a driver's license and an autogyro pilot's license in order to operate it. The design is tiny and conforms to the restrictions that are now in place, which makes it a flying automobile that is both practical and functional. When the vehicle is on the ground, the propeller and rotor are halted, and power is transferred to the wheels. This enables the vehicle to travel as a three-wheeled car. Additionally, it has a high center of gravity, which contributes to its stability when in the air. The Liberty was introduced to the general public in February of 2017, and the production model was presented for the first time at the Geneva Motor Show in March of 2018. It is anticipated that the initial shipment would take place in the year 2023. Airbus PopUp. To ease traffic congestion in densely populated megacities, Airbus has developed the revolutionary pop-up concept vehicle system, which is entirely electric and produces zero emissions. This ground and air optimized modular system is perfect for multimodal transportation. An 8-rotor, electrically propelled air module, a ground module powered by batteries, and a carbon fiber passenger capsule make up the system's 3 primary parts. Using an app, the traveler plans and purchases their vacation. Based on passengers' preferences and the details of their trip, the algorithm recommends the most suitable method of transportation. As soon as the capsule connects to the ground module, it becomes a city automobile. In heavy traffic, the capsule detaches from the ground module and is propelled by the air module, transforming into an autonomous air vehicle for urban areas. This groundbreaking idea is going to change the way people move around cities. The Air Car. An advanced electric car that has gained attention for its outstanding range and elegant amenities is the Air Car, typically linked with Lucid Motors' Lucid Air model. Offering a combination of premium craftsmanship and performance, the 2024 Lucid Air begins at $71,400. It has a designer interior, a neck-snapping acceleration, and the best estimated range in its segment. Notable for its affordable price and lengthy projected 410-mile driving range is the entry-level Pure model. Lucid's expertise in Formula E racing is the source of their revolutionary technology, which includes a new design for batteries and electric motors with a lot of power density. The FAA has recently authorized the flying electric car, which is now available for pre-sale at a price of about $300,000. This choice is for individuals seeking something even more futuristic. This vehicle can land and take off vertically and can be driven on public highways. Xpeng X2. By Xpeng Aerot, a division of Xpeng Motors, came the Xpeng X2, a 5th-generation aircraft. Its intended use is for future city flights at low altitudes, particularly for shorter trips like tourist or medical transports. The X2 has a futuristic look with an enclosed cockpit in the form of a simple teardrop. Plus, there's enough space for 2 people and their bags. With a top speed of 81 miles per hour and a flight time of 35 minutes, this aircraft is powered by batteries and features 8 electric motors, in addition to propellers. The airframe is constructed with an aircraft aluminum framework and carbon fiber composite. X2 safety features also include a ballistic parachute in case of an emergency, distributed electric propulsion, numerous redundant systems, spherical environment detection, ground monitoring, real-time video, and omnidirectional camera. It can also return and land autonomously. Switchblade Flying Sports Car. An innovative vehicle created by Samson Motor Works is the Switchblade Flying Sports Car. The 3-wheeled vehicle is street legal and may be driven from your garage to a nearby municipal airport. After reaching that point, it takes less than 3 minutes for the wings to spread and the tail to extend, turning it into a duly registered aircraft. Traveling at heights of up to 13,000 feet and speeds of up to 200 miles per hour is another option. Using an innovative hybrid electric powertrain and unleaded auto petrol, the Switchblade gets over obstacles. Featuring a Skybrid electric propulsion system, upgraded flying instruments, and a digital dashboard that can be customized, it is designed to be both comfortable and performance-oriented. A new dimension of freedom is yours to enjoy with the Switchblade, as you can now choose your own pace and route when you travel. Ehang 184. Designed by Ehang, a Chinese drone manufacturer, the Ehang 184 is the world's first autonomous aerial vehicle that is driven by electric propulsion. This drone operates at a low altitude and has the capacity to transport a single person for a flight duration of 23 minutes at sea level. The automobile, which was presented to the public for the first time at the Consumer Electronics Show in January 2016, is capable of reaching a maximum design speed of 130 kilometers per hour. It makes use of electric power, which helps to reduce the damage that pollutants cause to the environment. The Ehang 184 is outfitted with a number of different flight control systems that operate independently of one another, as well as real-time data sensors to guarantee a secure and trouble-free voyage. Additionally, it is equipped with an automatic navigation system, which eliminates the requirement for someone to be a professional pilot. KleinVision Flying Car. The KleinVision Air Car is a flying car that was created by Stefan Klein, and it was manufactured in Slovakia. It had 2 seats. The primary fuselage may be converted into a road automobile with 4 big wheels, and the vehicle is designed to look like a sports coupe. While in the air, the car is responsible for 30 to 40% of the overall lift. It is equipped with wings that can be folded out, tail booms that can extend and carry a high tail, and a propeller that is a pusher. It is powered by a BMW engine that is 1.6 liters in capacity and produces 104 kilowatts of power. After a run of approximately 300 meters, the prototype takes off at a speed of approximately 120 kilometers per hour. It is approximated to have a range of 1,000 kilometers and a cruise speed of 170 kilometers per hour. Over the course of approximately 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the transition from automobile to airplane takes place. Terrafugia TFX. A firm based in the United States is currently working on developing an autonomous flying car called the Terrafugia TFX. In order to go forward, this automobile is propelled by a combination of an internal combustion engine and 2 electric motors. Through the extension of its retractable wings that are attached with pusher propellers, the TFX is able to perform vertical takeoff and landing, which is not possible with standard aircraft. A single car garage is the ideal space for it to be stored in. The TFX is designed to have a flight range of 500 miles and a cruising flight speed of 200 miles per hour, without the need to refuel or recharge. It will be powered by 2 plug-in hybrid electric motors that have a combined power output of 600 horsepower and a fuel engine that has a power output of 300 horsepower. The TFX features a level of autonomy that allows it to navigate to predetermined landing zones when in flight conditions. AeroMobile 3.0. The AeroMobile 3.0 is a prototype of a flying car that was designed and constructed by the business Aeromobile, which is located in Slovakia. It was first introduced to the public in October of 2014, and it is capable of being utilized both on the ground and in the air. Every grass strip or paved area can be used for the takeoff and landing of the aircraft. The length of the vehicle is 6 meters, and its breadth is 8.32 meters when the wings are open and 2.24 meters when they are folded. At the same time, it can accommodate 2 passengers. Both in the air and on the road, it is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 200 kilometers per hour. A flight testing program for the AeroMobile 3.0 was initiated in October 2014, and it was conducted under real-world flight conditions. Together with Juraj Vakulik, Klein was responsible for the design of the advanced 3.0 prototype. When compared to the final product, the prototype is extremely close. Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept. An investigation into individual aerial mobility is embodied in the Aston Martin Volante Vision Concept. Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, Cranfield University, and Rolls-Royce collaborated to create this concept plane, which exemplifies Aston Martin's innovative, future-oriented design. It can take off and land vertically and is engineered to offer efficient, rapid, and congestion-free transportation. A flying autonomous hybrid electric vehicle for urban and intercity air travel is envisioned in this concept research, which takes place in the near future. It makes excellent use of cutting-edge aeronautical, electrical, and autonomous technology, and it can accommodate 3 adults comfortably. A team of top-tier aerospace engineers, propulsion experts, and designers came together to create the Volante vision concept. For consumers all across the world, it is said to provide an intriguing alternate mode of transportation,